Hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures Trading stream. Today is Monday, September 23rd. It is 9:48 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. It is Monday, just the first day of December contract. We have this market. This is the one on the right. This chart on the right is the ES. The one on the left is Nasdaq. And I really had no intention to do anything today. Just so you know. I hope you have noticed what happened where it started selling. What was happening last week? Something I noticed last week. There was selling. There were rallies being sold, and I don't know if that's going to continue. There was some volatility after PMI. Today we have a PMI composite flash at 945. The market just did some, there was some flickering here, right? Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth here. Check it out where this low is. I hope you remember where this came from on Friday. Where this high is, very questionable. It was questionable on Friday, and now it's even more, right? It's even more. Being short here is very, for me, it's very, very risky. Long is not bad. No. If we check our, just look at, did you see it? Did you? Oh, okay. Yeah, I just have no words for this market right now. If we check our charts, we were checking this chart yearly. How such an impressive trend is. Same goes for the weekly. Right? Look at this trend line that you have seen here. At the time when this was bought, this was 200 moving average. I'm going to remove this now. I don't think it's relevant now. Look at that, new high. Traders, short-term traders, love Nasdaq, man. I don't know why they love to trade Nasdaq. It's super, very risky. You have to give your trader a lot of room to work in Nasdaq. Meaning that you must allow to go against you for quite distances, right? And the risk you take is high, very high. I don't like that. Let's check some options here. This high is questionable, right? We have a trend here, small trend, the bigger trend way down. And let's check, for example, how much are these options? The 57.75, 9 points. That's not bad now. That's not bad. Friday, we have Friday, Thursday. Wednesday was super crazy. Market was, for example, we had this 30, 45, 40 points away from where the market was, and those options were around 30 points, 30, 35 points. It was unbelievably expensive. This range now is kind of like a more like a quote unquote normal, right? The 75 should be 8, yeah, 850. One of the reasons, I got no intentions to do anything. Oh, look at this! We have Chairman Powell speaking on Thursday, huh? Oh, there's a bunch of speakers this week. Speakers, auctions. It doesn't matter that much. PCE. Wednesday. Sorry. GDP Thursday. PCE Friday. What is the week after that? After this? Jolts, another speech, ISM, no paperos. The first week. All right. What you have here is basically what I use for trading. I have my charts. These are my charts that I have on another screen. This is the bigger time frame charts. And look at this, for example. Look what we have here. This gap has been closed. These are end of the month's days. End of the month. Going higher. Well, let's see what this month. First day of the month, end of the month. This gap also has been filled. This is not a gap. I'm going to put it here. But what I'm paying attention here is this trend line here. This is the all-time high. This now can be used as a reference for traders. There is a lot of these things. I got some support resistance in this area here. Around 60, 56, 20. This low being bought at 200, right above the gap. Both from the 50 high and breakout. This is now what is the heck is this? This is the first day, or this is the overlap. But since this is a chart that many people will look or watch, this one, nah. Got all-time high here. I don't know why I have. Oh, I got this range here. Happens to be June high as well. This is previous all-time high. This high here. Yep, this is what I have on another screen. To have some perspective, now the market has, look at where that low is, right? It got back into Friday's value area. I really don't like when market prints this kind of histograms here. Usually the market revisit this kind of things here. This one too. That's not good. This is really not good here. I don't see anything of value here. There's a range here. You know, this is the range here. This is 2-day range. We have breakout of this range this day. Then we have FOMC. Crazy day. Look about how this day close at the end, right? A POC is same as this one. Lot of volatility. Breakout, and now we have consolidation above this breakout, right? Value area higher. I am just disregarding FOMC. Okay, because I don't think serious money has come in this market into this day. I would rather have another range information here above this 2 days range here. I can say maybe this we have like kind of like a 2 distributions here, this one here, 2 days here and 2 days up here. Got a new all-time high. Just check it out. Where this low is, where this high is, where this high is. Look at that. Look at the highs that we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 highs here that were made during the overnight selling or buying from Cedro, Friday Cedro, or Thursday Cedro. Doesn't matter. I mean, this number doesn't matter. This POC was being used as support. It's just too much movement here. When I see, I got my references, I got my marks there. When I see the market coming back and forth from those references, I have a tendency to keep them, right? This one, for example, is very old, but I just decided to keep it. And look at what happened now. Buying exactly. There's nothing here, but maybe it is. Oh, right there. Look at this. Such a mechanical market, man. How much volume we have? Well, volume is back to normal. This is the volume that we were talking on Friday, Thursday as well. Look at this, 7.8 million. We were expecting somewhere between say 6 and 8, and it got really close to 8 actually. And all of that came in the wrong hour period, the 15 minutes after the market close. So there's a lot of things that are still going on here, then readjustments. And I got this from Jim. I decided, I made a decision, for example, not to trade last week. And I usually, today was a day that I resume on, or just watch the market, right? But I didn't have that thing that, the decision, right? Of not to do anything. But I hear this from Jim so many times now. Right? I forgot actually. I didn't pay attention until his last webinar when he says that he's not going to do anything today. And to be honest, that's something I did not have it. As I say, I did not have in consideration, but I decided to do okay. And I was burned so many times in days like this. It just makes no sense, man. There is just too much risk. Um, too much, as he says, too much readjustments that happen. In the same way, like for example, let me take this one out here. In the same way as in this day, right? This is FOMC. Right? You're gonna say the market is higher, right? But I don't consider where the market closed or how much the market travels during this day, because by the time this event happens, all, if not most, if not all of the inventory has been, there has any adjustments that have to be made are being made. There's a lot of hedging also. All that inventory has been hedged. In in front of the event, in front of FOMC. So what is happening after that day, I would consider that is something already. Now, but this happens during the rollover period. So there's a lot of things that happen here. And you may notice that I usually talk about, or I talk most about this kind of decisions, right? There's nothing here. There's nothing. One day I say there's nothing here. The next day, okay, there's nothing. The day after that, okay, there's nothing. You may ask yourself, right? So, what the heck is he doing, right? If he's not trading, well, that's trading also, right? Not doing anything, sitting in your hands, is doing something. Now, after this high has been taken today, after this high was formed and was very questionable, now with only 2 ticks, do you think that's excess? For example, technically it is, but I don't think it's a good excess. We have that. Now we do have volume here. Okay, before going over, like what's happened here? Okay, this has been checked. Adding inventory. Inventory is okay. Inventory is being added to this volume here. Notice. Okay, let me remove this thing. I don't need this anymore. Alright. Look at the volume here, right? The notes and volume. The market comes back and check this, just kind of like around the center of this. There are no sellers here. The market start to add again. Now above this. Now, in the same way how this day comes into this volume here, didn't check, didn't goes above it, it just sells from this area. Now it's happening, the same thing is happening now. And it comes to this volume, and this is being bought, right? So we are, which one is going to prevail, right? The shorts here or the longs here? From this day, if I remember, there was a lot of buying here in this area here. What was that? Was that 50? Was that? I forgot about it. Let me see. Let me see. Was that 70? No, I think it was 80. Uh, no, I got you. Yeah, it was 80. This area here. These are the no. It was this. It was this thing here. All right. Let me check. Let me. It was this level here. Oh, I almost forgot. This level here. Why this? There was buying that came here exactly from Halbach, you know, and a lot of volume was built from all this volume that we have here was built from this buying that came from this area here. Exactly, it was Halbach at the time. I decided to keep this one. On Friday, there was a lot of selling coming. You know, what was used to buy, then the next thing, what happened is, you know, what was support before, now it's resistance, right? Now it's resistance. This level. Resistance breaks through, and now we have support again. It's not that clear now, but I can see the area here. I can see some area. No? Now the type of buying. I was talking to a friend, to a Discord friend, that what is coming here now is the type of buyers that may come here now from the same level. I'm not exactly 68.50, right? But this is the area here. The area here. The type of buyers that may come now are different. Can be different. No are, my bad. Can be different. Now, let's keep digging a little bit more, right? Are they different? Is the question. Are they? Where this low? When I start to see, I look at the low, right? You know, Cedar is right there. You can call it end of the day as well. You can call it overnight Halbach. So my assessment is that probably is not the kind of trading that's coming here is not as different as it was this day. Right? So what kind of trade is setting up here? I have no idea. I got no idea. But it might be susceptible of liquidation as well. Alright. Hi, Face to God. What's up, man? If you have any question, please just let me know. I don't think I'm going to be streaming much longer. Do you see what's going on here? You can see the market is getting higher. What is this? Okay. Now this is volume drying here. Remember what happened here when the market was still in a period. We were talking about how this highs was no good, that this low is no good. That usually market comes back, and the way how the way how this histogram is, for example, right? I don't like this kind of crap here. And the market has a tendency to come back and kind of do some kind of job here before doing its next movement. Kind of like the way how this market is doing, right? Now we have some decent shape here. This is now what we have down here is same as we have up here. Now this is susceptible of kind of repair. The bulk of the volume this period is in the upper side. This lows, this volume has been rebalanced. If we talk, a market moving higher, because volume value-wise, this market is to the upside. There's a buy in the dips. What kind of trades are those? Is the question. I really don't have anything here. I would be better if I just let it go and take a nap or do something else, right? Because many times when we have these kind of days, the way we're having now, we may become anxious. I got to play straight. This market is going higher. This market is going to rally without me. And before you know it, you are chasing price. There's nothing here, man. There's nothing here. There is really nothing here. I will keep this level as a reference. Let me save this chart here. EZ4. Save it. No freaking way. Look at what this. Thank you. I didn't save it. NC NQC4. Let's save it as NQC4. KC4, I'm not saving in photon trade. All right. All right, guys, it is 10:20. If I see anything, I will just walk away from the trading desk. I walk away from the desk. I don't like to be here. I got enough things. I guess I have enough things to do. I would rather do. Than being here now. Okay. It seems like the overnight high. Okay. Now look at B high and B low. Not the high itself, but the histogram. Look at how that thing is. Same thing we have in the upper side, same thing we have in the lower side. And we had the same thing in A period as well. We are having a penetration into value, into Thursday value area. Kind of like half, more than half into it. Alright, guys. Unless you have any questions, I will be calling it a day. And wish you a wonderful trading day. Okay, see you.